Since I was 6 years old, I had my first business. You know what I mean? Like, I had little businesses my whole life. So my family knows me for that. So for someone to speak negativity into my plans after they know my character and just not believing in me or in my plans or in my future company at all, it had bummed me down a lot.
Yeah.
But just I still believed in myself, always believed in myself, and believed in my ideas, and I know the impact that I wanted to have and the vision that I had for my company. So it was not pleasant, but I would say it was still easy to phase out that noise and still hold on to what I know I can make happen.